Next, second one, keep submitting. Heap area, heap area, heap area. Can you tell in the heap area for every JVM how many heap areas are there? Ayo, for every JVM how many heap areas are there? Do you know? Only one. Are you getting? Only one. And the heap area also will be created at the time of JVM startup. Whenever we start the JVM, automatically heap area by default will be created, right? Heap area will be created at the time of JVM startup. Okay. Next, in the heap area, which data by default will be saved? Objects are going to be stored where? In the heap area. Instance variable is the part of object. Automatically instance variable will be stored in which memory area? Heap area only. Are you able to understand? Next, heap area data objects can be accessed by multiple threads. That's why it is also shareable memory, global memory. That's why so the data which is stored in the heap area is not thread safe. Next, sir, do you know arrays are objects only. Every array in Java is an object. That's why arrays also will be stored where? Inside heap area only. Next, heap area also need not be continuous memory. Are you getting? Sir, if I consider this one is the heap area. Now listen, heap area, right? In the heap area, do you know? So this one is by default considered as object data. This one is object data and object data, like so object level data where in which memory area by default will be there in the heap area, right? Object data like. I hope you people can aware clearly, right? Okay, at this point, well, at point by point. For every JVM, one heap area is available. For every JVM, one heap area is available. For every JVM, one heap area is available. One heap area is available. Next, second one. Heap area will be created. Heap area will be created at the time of heap area will be created at the time of JVM startup. At the time of JVM startup. Next, objects and the corresponding instance variables. Objects and the corresponding instance variables will be stored. Objects and corresponding instance variables will be stored in the heap area. Objects and corresponding instance variables will be stored in the heap area. Will be stored in the heap area. Objects and corresponding instance variables will be stored in the heap area. Heap area. Next, every array in Java is object only. Every array in Java is object only. Hence, arrays also will be stored. In the heap area. Next, heap area can be accessed by multiple threads. Heap area can be accessed by multiple threads. And hence the data stored in the heap memory. Is not a thread safe. The data stored in the heap memory is not a thread safe. Data stored in the heap memory is not a thread safe. Okay, take this one. Next, one more point. Have you observed? Heap area, is it continuous memory or need not be continuous? Add heap area heap area need not be continuous. Heap area need not be continuous. Need not be continuous. Continuous. Okay, like take this example well. Take the diagram. So what is heap area? Which data will be saved in the heap area? Next, at what time heap area will be created? Next, how many heap areas are possible? How many heap areas are possible? Like, make sure you people should have clear clarity. Completed, right? So not required to keep much explanation. Heap area, like, can I complete it, right? Okay. Next point. Legend this point well. Okay, this is about, so what heap area. Sir, I want to write one program to display heap statistics. What is the initial memory? What is the free memory? Max memory? Like, I want to write a program to display statistics, right? Okay, add program to display heap memory statistics. Program to display heap memory statistics. Heap memory statistics. Heap memory statistics. Sir, I want to display how much heap memory is there in terms of bytes, or how much free memory is there, how much user memory, like I want to display. How we can get? Sir, simple. I have one Java application is there. Assume this is Java application, right? A Java application can communicate with JVM. Assume that is the person JVM. A Java application can communicate with JVM by using runtime object. By using which object? By using runtime object. A Java application can communicate with JVM by using which object? Runtime object. Is it clear, right? Sir, how to get runtime object? How to get runtime object? Runtime class is a singleton class. We can create runtime object by using runtime r is equal to runtime dot get runtime. Do you know, I remember somewhere we covered in the garbage collector. I hope this part we discussed. I got runtime object. Sir, it is a singleton class. We can get runtime object. Like, once we got runtime object, now you can ask how much free memory, how much initial memory, how much max memory. By default we can able to get. What is the option here is C. Sir, once we got r dot, so max memory, pass how much max memory is there inside JVM. R dot max memory of the heap. R dot initial memory. R dot initial memory. Sir, initial memory how much allocated to the JVM? Max memory, initial memory. R dot free memory. R dot free memory is nothing but how much free memory is there. Then immediately you may ask, sir, what is the difference between max memory, initial memory? Suppose assume within this class 500 is the capacity. Assume 500, max up to 500 members you can sit. But at the beginning 100 chairs only we are keeping. Are you getting? If 100 chairs filled, then we will think about remaining. Are you getting? Max, how many people can accommodate? 500. That 500 is the max memory. But initially at the beginning, how many chairs we made available? 100 only. Initial memory is nothing but 100. Next, but out of 100 chairs, 60 members accommodated. Then how many chairs are vacant? 40 chairs. Out of 100, 60 people accommodated, only 40 vacant. Now free memory is nothing but 40. Okay. I want to know consumed memory. Sir, how much memory already consumed? Can you tell how to get consumed memory? How to get consumed memory is nothing but initial memory minus free memory. Initial memory minus free memory. This much consumed memory is there. Are you able to understand? Sir, once we got runtime object, we can ask about all these things. There is no problem at all. I hope you people can aware, sir, how to display heap memory statistics. Free memory how much, max memory how much, initial memory how much, like how we can do that is nothing but like. Any explanation is required now, okay, at this point. A Java application can communicate with the JVM. A Java application can communicate with the JVM. Java application can communicate with the JVM. JVM by using a Java application can communicate with the JVM by using runtime object. Java application can communicate with the JVM by using runtime object. By using runtime object. Next line. Runtime class. Runtime single word or capital T small. Make sure runtime class present in java.lang package. Runtime class present in java.lang package, and it is a singleton class. Singleton class. Next up, we can create runtime object. We can create runtime object as follows. Runtime object as follows. Add runtime R is equal to runtime dot get runtime. Runtime R is equal to runtime dot get runtime. Runtime R is equal to runtime dot get runtime. Runtime dot get runtime. Next, better to take within the box. Next, once we got runtime object, and so we got runtime object, we can call once we got runtime object, we can call the following methods. On that object. We can call the following methods on that object. First one, max memory. Under that add, it returns the number of bytes of max memory. Returns number of bytes of max memory allocated to the heap. Number of bytes of max memory allocated to the heap. Next, second, initial memory. One minute. Not initial memory. Max memory. Second method is not initial. Total memory, not max. So max memory, okay. Second method, total memory. Sorry, keep submitting total, not initial. Total memory. Of course, initial memory only word, but total memory is the method name. Total memory. It returns number of bytes of total memory. It returns number of bytes of total memory. Total memory allocated to the heap. It returns number of bytes of total memory allocated to the heap. Within bracket, initial memory. At the beginning, how much memory allocated? Within bracket, initial memory. Third one, free memory. Free memory. It returns it returns number of bytes of free memory, number of bytes of free memory present in the heap, number of bytes of free memory present in the heap, present in the heap, present in the heap. Are you able to understand, right? Okay, this is, sir. Now, so let me write a simple program to demonstrate this heap memory statistics. Here, see this one. What I will do here is observe very simple program. Here, see, sir, I am taking class heap demo, class heap demo. Next, public static void main method string array args, public static void means string array args. Now the point is, sir, I want runtime object. Runtime r is equal to runtime dot get runtime. Runtime r is equal to runtime dot get runtime. Sir, I got runtime object. Now you can ask whatever your required memory, your required memory thing. System dot out dot println max memory. Sir, how much max memory? How much is there? What is the code? R dot R dot max memory, like R dot max memory. System dot out dot println, sir, initial memory or total memory, any word you can use. Initial memory. What is the thing? R dot total memory. Initially at the beginning, how much memory allocated is nothing but like. Next, system dot out dot println. Okay, next memory, initial memory. What is the next one? Okay, free memory. Sir, how much free memory is there? Is nothing but like R dot. What is the method? Free memory. Free memory, like. Okay. Now, sir, I want to know how much memory already used, consumed. How much memory got consumed, already used. System dot out dot println consumed memory. Consumed memory. Can I spell out how much memory got consumed? R dot. What is the method? Total memory. R dot total memory minus R dot what? Free memory. Free memory, like. Okay, like this. Sir, now this is the way how to print heap memory statistics. But here one small twist is there. Now the output is always going to come in terms of bytes, number of bytes. Sir, these many number of bytes, these many number. I don't want number of bytes. I want into MB, 100 MB or 64 MB. Like I want in terms of MB. Sir, how to convert byte to MB? 1024 bytes is nothing but what? 1 KB. Correct or not? 1 KB is nothing but 1024. Sir, 1 MB means, 1 MB means what? 1024 into 1024 bytes. Are you getting? Now, if I divide these values by 1024 into 1024, are you getting? 1024 into 1024. Now, in terms of MB, I am going to get number of bytes by 1024 into 1024 in terms of MB, 64 MB, 63 MB by default we will get. Anyway, I will show both cases, right? Now listen this example well. Here I am taking a simple example. Heap demo, just heap demo.java. Now here just have a look once. I don't want this long MB and so on, I don't know. Runtime R is equal to, okay, here see, have you observed? Max memory R dot max memory, total memory R dot total memory, free memory R dot free memory, consumed memory R dot total memory minus R dot free memory is nothing but like. Now heap demo, okay, heap demo like this. Now Java C heap demo, Java C heap demo.java. Now Java heap demo. Okay, like are you getting max memory? Can I spell out what is the max memory? Anna? These many number of bytes. Oh, big 25, 95, 22, 560 number of bytes. Free memory, total memory. How much? 16. Instead of 25, now 16 came. Free memory 15. Okay. How much consumer memory? Very less number. 37, 378, 480 bytes is nothing but very less amount. Are you getting? Now the answer is in terms of bytes. Sir, I don't want in terms of bytes. I want in terms of MB, because which is more familiar with the programmer in terms of MB. Then what I have to do is very simple. Can I spell out? Here just observe. Okay. Here saying long MB is equal to 1024 into 1024 long MB. Now R dot max memory by MB. R dot total memory by MB. R dot free memory by MB. MB value is nothing but like in terms of next consumed memory. R dot total memory minus R dot free memory by MB is nothing but like weighted. Next Java C heap demo dot Java heap demo. Are you getting max memory 247? Are you getting actually 256 MB? Maybe internally some small variation may be varied. Next total memory is nothing but at the beginning 16 MB got assigned. 16 actually 15 it is displayed. 15.79 or something like. Now free memory 15 point some odd. Next consumer memory 0. 0 means not 0, 0.67 MB or something like. Are you getting? Sir, I want to know in terms of double, not integral division. Here see, here long type I took, right? Now instead of long, let me take a double. Now you can see that points also. Now observe. Have you observed max memory 247.5, total memory 15.5, next free memory 15.13, next consumer memory 0.36 and so on. In terms of MB, this is the answer. In terms of bytes is nothing but this is the answer. Are you getting? Sir, is it possible to know how much free memory present in the JVM? How much free memory present in the JVM? Is it possible or not? Sir, how much total memory present in the JVM? Is it possible or not? Yes. Okay, take this program on. Take clearly. R dot total memory, R dot free memory by MB. Take clearly. Completed, right? Take clearly. Okay. Now completed, I hope. Not required to keep much explanation. Okay. Now better to take output. Okay. So output within bracket in bytes. Output in bytes. In bytes. Okay. Better to take this thing. Max memory 2595 and so on, but these numbers are varied from system to system, time to time. Okay, remember. Max memory, total memory, free memory, consumed memory. Max memory, total memory, free memory, consumed memory. Completed, right? Clear for you people. Okay, next one. Next. I hope terminology is clear. Next. So output in MBs, output in MB, in MB, output in MB. Okay, take these values. Max memory 247.5. Actually something like 256, that a small variation should be there internally. Max memory, total memory, free memory, max memory, total memory, free memory, and then consumed memory. Completed, I hope. Okay, next point. Clear, right? That's all. Now, sir, here do you know, is it possible to set maximum and a minimum heap sizes? Sir, I want to increase heap memory, I want to decrease heap memory. Is it possible or not? Yes. How to set maximum and a minimum heap sizes, right? Keep somebody. How to set maximum, and a minimum heap sizes. How to set maximum and a minimum heap sizes. How to set maximum and a minimum heap sizes. Heap sizes. Okay. Sir, what is the option we have to use? Just observe this one. Sir, very simple. Heap memory is some finite amount of memory. Correct or not? Fixed memories are these many number of bytes. Based on our requirement, we can increase the max heap, we can increase the heap size. We can increase maximum, we can decrease. Is nothing but like based on our requirement we can do. How to set maximum heap size? How to increase heap size? Very simple. Java -x mx. Have you observed? -x mx. mx is nothing but what? Maximum. Sir, how many number of bytes in our system? Just now we covered 247 means 256 around. Sir, I want 512 m. And then execute heap demo like, do you know, this command will set 512 MB as max heap size. Are you getting it? Actually, what is the maximum heap memory available in my system? 247 or 256 or 247 like. But if I execute this one, it will set maximum heap memory as 512 MB and then execute heap demo. Within the heap demo, I'm printing how much max heap memory is there. Now in the automatically this value by default I will get. Are you getting? -x mx option we can use to increase heap memory, right? Are you able to understand? Now observe this one, sir. Yeah, legend this point well. Okay, Java -x mx -xmx 512 followed by heap demo like. Okay, here see, sir, have you observed max memory? How much it is showing? 494. I mean oddly nearer to 512. But earlier, how much it is showing? 247. Have you observed the difference? 247. Sir, just I am taking Java heap demo. I'm not setting anything. Now observe, sir, normal heap memory 247. But now how much value I am getting? 494. Is approximately equal to 512 MB only, right? Next, initial memory, total memory 15.5. Here also 15.5 only. Are you getting 15.5 like? Sir, I want to set minimum heap size. Initial memory also I want to set based on my requirement. Here, how much initial size? 16 MB. 15.5 is nothing but 16 MB. I don't want 16. I want 64 MB. I want 64 MB as the minimum heap size. Java -x minimum. What is the option? Max means mx, man. Minimum means make sure ms. Minimum heap size. How much you want? 64 M. I want heap demo like. This command set minimum heap size as 64 MB is nothing but within bracket total memory, initial memory like without right, that number is going to be set. Now observe, sir, what is the command I have to use? Java -x ms 64 M followed by heap demo like. Have you observed here total memory? How much? 61.875. But initial earlier, how much total memory? 15.5. Now my command is working or not? Of course, approximately 64 is nothing but like it is observed that. Sir, I want to set a maximum. I want to set a minimum heap size. Both I want to do. Simple. Sir, how much max you want? 512 MB. How much minimum I want? 64 MB. Can you tell what is the way? Java -x mx 512 M. Next, -x ms 64 M followed by heap demo like. Have you observed? But the answer by default you are going to get, sir, max memory 512, total memory 64. Are you getting? There is a difference there, like you people can aware approximately the values got set. That's why, is it possible to set maximum heap memory, minimum heap memory or not? Yes, boss. Based on our requirement, we have to use the corresponding flags. Which flag I have to use to set heap memory? -x mx. Which flag I have to use to set a minimum heap size? -x ms. Clear for all of you, right? There is no difference, I hope, at this point. Yeah. Heap memory is a finite memory, fixed memory. Heap memory is a finite. It's not infinite memory, finite memory. Heap memory is finite memory. But based on our requirement, we can set maximum and a minimum heap sizes. Maximum and a minimum heap sizes. That is we can increase or decrease the heap size That is, we can increase or decrease the heap size. We can increase or decrease the heap size based on our requirement. We can increase or decrease the heap size based on our requirement. Based on our requirement. We can increase or decrease the heap size based on our requirement. Next, we can use the following. We can use the following flags. We can use the following flags with a Java command. With a Java command. The following flags with the Java command. Okay, first one, -xmx. -xmx to set maximum heap size. To set maximum heap size. Heap size. Okay, within bracket max memory. Within bracket which method is going to be affected? Max memory. Within bracket max memory. Next one, example at Java -xmx. Java -xmx 512m. Java -xmx 512m heap demo. Yeah. This command will set maximum heap size. Yes. This command will set maximum heap size as 512 MB. This command will set maximum heap size as 512 MB. Maximum heap size as 512 MB. Okay. Next, second one. Second, -xms. -xms. Add. We can use this command. This command to set minimum heap size. Minimum heap size. Okay. Next, example, Java -xms. Java -xms 64m. Java -xms 64m heap demo. Java -xms 64m heap demo. Yeah. To set minimum heap size. Yes. To set minimum heap size. Yes. 64 MB. To set minimum heap size. Yes, 64 MB. That is total memory. And in this case, which method is going to be impacted? Total memory. I hope you people got that. Sir, based on our requirement, we can increase the heap memory, we can decrease the heap memory. Both options are there. We can set max heap size, minimum heap size. Okay. Next example. Take one example, this one, and even output also. Java -xmx 512m. Java -xmx 512m -xms 64m heap demo. 64m heap demo. Java -xmx 512m. Better to take output also. Output also related to max memory 494, total memory 61.875, Next up, free memory 61, consumed memory 0.68. 0.6828 like. Can I complete it right? Okay, that's all. So this is what you people should require to remember well. So what is how to increase heap memory, how to decrease the heap size, how to display heap memory statistics, like now the terminology is clear for you people, right? Okay, that's all.